No one told me to become a doctor. It was the credit goes to my family. Ayub sir was there when don't tell anything about fees now. We don't discuss anything about fees now. You just go and attend the class. The management was very supportive. Even Ashraf Ali sir and Ayub Sonu sir, they supported us a lot. Yeah, I'm very happy and I'm very proud of her. She cracked NEET with very good marks. I want to tell her one thing. Uh, Please don't quit.
Now Aisha Dharwad is with us, and she is Zainab's sister. She is doing MBBS in second year in Belgaum. So now she's in home. Let us to talk with her and what she is doing and how she achieved and all those things. Tell me the first how you achieved, who guide you to take the NEET and how you crack this. Tell me about this first.
First of all, I would like to thank you.
Okay. HDMC News.
HDMC News.
HDMC News.
HDMC News.
Okay. Thank you very much.
My name is Aisha. Now I'm
जी, जी.
doing MBBS in BIMS Belgium.
Okay.
When I was in 10th standard, that
Okay.
time only I decided I want to become a doctor.
Okay. Very good.
In 10th standard, I got like 93% in SSLC board examination.
Very good.
After that, I joined PC Jabin Science College to do PUC.
Okay.
My bade Abbu has guided me to join PC Jabin College. This is
Okay.
the one of the best college in Hubli.
Okay. Very good.
In 12th, I got like 98 marks in biology.
Okay. Very
When I
good.
was in 12th standard, I was more interested in biology than mathematics.
Okay.
That's why I decided to go with NEET exam. After that, I joined Sana Shahin College for NEET
Okay.
coaching.
Okay.
One of the best college in Hubli Dharwad for
Okay.
NEET.
Actually, one question is arising by me. So you are belong to the Urdu medium. So it's a you was faced any kind of the issues, problems, difficulties or there. How you face or there?
Yeah, when I was in 11th or 12th standard, no, everything was in English only, no Urdu language. Even the subjects were like Kannada or Hindi. We have to choose either of them, either Kannada or English. So I chooses English. Then no, it was not like that. Yeah, obviously it is some little bit of difficulty I faced there.
Now, who is studying in the 10th standard? Every student is saying, so we are belong to Urdu medium. We can't speak in English language. Even we can't read, write. We can't understand the what they are telling. When the teachers are teaching in front of them, they are not going to understand. They are unable to understand what the teachers are conveying them. So how you are facing, how you are understanding?
I used to go with dictionaries when I was teachers were taking classes. No, after coming home, I worked on that topic. Like meaning, I used to write meanings. What are the difficult terms in biology?
Acha, first tell me the who guided you, like you want to become a doctor in the sense. So how the idea comes in your mind, why you want to become the doctor, like you are belong to Urdu medium as well as you are belong to the middle family. So how it idea comes in your mind, who guided you, who told you to become a doctor?
No one told me to become a doctor. It was my own idea to become a doctor. When I was in 8 or 10 standard, no, that time only I decided to become a doctor. Stethoscope.
So how to touch that
Yeah,
so you're
stethoscope.
thinking like that, so due to that reason you choose to become a doctor like that. Okay, so how you're feeling now you're now you are in MBBS second year, how you're feeling? So when you are staying along with the MBBS student, how you're feeling like?
Alhamdulillah, it is very good feeling. I'm very glad to be there in between the my friends,
Upcoming
doctors.
doctors.
Yeah, in between upcoming doctors. The credit goes to my family, my well wishers, my Bade Abu, Sana Shahin management also.
Acha, in Sana Shine College, who guided you and who has given the coaching? How they are coached you? And apart from that, the how much they have taken the fees from your side?
Uh, Ayub sir was there
Hmm.
when we visited that college for the first time to get an admission in
Ayub
that
Sonu
college.
sir. Hmm.
Yeah, Ayub Sanu sir was there.
Hmm.
By seeing my marks, he was like, "You don't tell anything about fees now. We don't discuss anything about fees now. You just go and attend the class."
Hmm.
Later on, he spoke to my mother
Hmm.
about fees. I don't remember the fees.
Acha, I think so that they have taken less fees. I think so
Yeah.
that for the supportive purpose, they have taken less fees from your side because you want to become, your aim is to become a doctor. Due to that reason, he has taken less fees from your side. I think so that you are
Yeah, yeah,
telling.
yeah.
Okay, na?
Yeah, he supported me.
Okay,
Yeah.
very good.
The management was very supportive. Even Ashraf Ali sir and Ayub Sonu sir, they supported us a lot. I can't even tell.
Acha, and in your family, who supported you? And they are supporting or not supporting? Your parents is here, father, mother is here. They are supporting.
Yeah, my father.
Hmm.
Today I'm here because of my parents
Very
only.
good.
They supported me a lot in every situation.
Hmm.
Whether when I was in school or when I was in college, or whether it is NEET coaching, they supported me a lot.
Acha, okay, very good. And tell me, what is your hobbies?
Hobbies, reading books,
Huh.
playing games,
What kind of playing games like
badminton.
बैडमिंटन सेम लाइक दोनों को सेम है अच्छा वेरी गुड चलिए अच्छी बात है हाँ यस
Then
एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट आर यू रीडिंग कुरान एज वेल एज नमाज
yeah, every day. Every day in the morning, every day I read Quran, and whenever I got free time, I read Quran with meanings also.
अच्छा आर यू डूइंग नमाज
Yeah,
5 times you are doing namaz
yeah, 5 times
अच्छा
also.
you
In hostel,
you have a sufficient time to do namaz over there
yeah, I have
and
sufficient.
you have any objections for the doing namaz and all those things
No,
like,
no, no, not like
objection,
that.
nothing.
Nothing.
if you want to do in the sense you can do by your own it's your own decision and all those things
Yeah,
like
my roommate is Hindu.
अच्छा अच्छा हाँ
I'm the
they are
only Muslim
supporting
in
हाँ हाँ
that. Yeah, they are
अच्छा
supportive. Nothing
अच्छा
like that.
अच्छा
Whenever I used to pray namaz, whenever I will praying namaz,
हाँ
they are supportive. If they are
अच्छा
watching mobile, they will off it.
oh very good very good they are respecting the Islams and all those things when you are doing namaz and Quran when you are reading that time they are thinking okay she is doing namaz and she is reading Quran in the sense we have to respect this okay every religion we should be respect to each other if we are Muslim in the sense we have to respect with the Hindus like okay and tell me any message to the young generations like girls are there boys are there they are not concentrating on educations okay they don't have any aims so what you want to become how they want to grow up they don't have anything so what you have to say what is your message to them
I want all the Muslim girls to become doctors because in our Muslim community there are less
Less.
number of doctors. In Hubli city, it is such a big city, but you can hardly find 2-3 gynecologists here, right? I want all the girls to become doctors. In Muslim community, humans hesitate in front of a male doctor to
अच्छा
open up.
हम्म
What my main reason is behind
अच्छा
to become a gynecologist is
अच्छा
that only.
Acha, if anything, the woman's if anything is problem over there, she can't say anything else in front of the male doctor. And who is not reading, who is not concentrating, most probably girls are not concentrating on educations. Okay, so what is the message for them?
Don't waste your time.
Okay.
This is the like around age 18 to 24 is the main age to grow. That is a turning point of your
Oh,
life.
like very good.
Yeah, don't waste your time in watching movies, series, and all those things. If decide a aim, decide a goal.
First, they have to decide their goal, their aim, what they want to become like. Okay.
Yeah.
Huh.
First decide what you want to become, whether it is doctor, engineer, whatever may be. First decide what you want to become, then work hard on it. Nothing is impossible in this world.
Everything is
Yeah,
possible.
everything is possible. It requires your hard work and dedication. That's all.
Acha, apart from that, how much time you are giving for the studies? Like you are in second year MBBS, so how much you are giving the times to the studies?
My classes are from morning 8 to 5.
Hmm.
After coming hostel,
Hmm.
1 hour for freshen up, namaz,
Hmm.
praying, all
Hmm.
those things.
Hmm.
After 7 o'clock, I started.
Huh.
From 7 to night 11:30.
Hmm.
And morning from 6 to 8 o'clock.
Acha, very good. And apart from that, any message to the parents who they are not supporting to their children and all those things?
Yeah, I want to tell that support your children's
Children's, for the more
in
education.
for more education.
Hmm.
In our community, if a girl is completed PUC or BSc or a degree,
Hmm.
they will do the marriage of that girl.
Hmm.
I want to tell that
Hmm.
if your child is interested in doing something,
Hmm.
to please support them.
Hmm. And apart from that, what about your when you are get up in early in the morning, and what is your routine schedules and like?
Yeah, I wake up early in the morning, like 6 or 5:30.
Hmm.
After doing praying, namaz and Quran
Hmm.
reading, then I will do little bit of yoga
Acha.
and exercise,
Acha, very good.
meditation. Then after that, I will read 7 to 8. I will
Hmm.
read some uh, one subject, whether it is biochemistry or those things. Then after that, 8 from morning 8, my classes will start from morning 8 to 5.
Acha, this is my last question for you. Now your sister Zainab has taken admission in the MBBS first year. So what you want to say? How you are feeling? Tell me something about that.
Yeah, I'm very happy and I'm very proud of her.
Hmm.
She cracked NEET with very good marks.
Hmm.
Alhamdulillah, I'm feeling very happy for her.
Hmm.
I want to tell her one thing.
Hmm.
Uh, Please don't quit.
Hmm.
MBBS is very difficult.
Hmm.
It seems in first it seems very difficult. After that, you will be like used to it.
Hmm.
I will tell her, okay, don't quit. Okay,
Acha,
work
very good.
hard.
You are always you are supporting to your sister, and you are telling don't quit and all those things. It's earlier it's difficult, but when the days will go, it will be very easy for you. Like that, you are telling.
Yeah.
Very good. Thank you for talking with us. She was Aisha, Zainab's sister, and she told me each and everything how she's studying, how she cracked the NEET exams. Now she's in second year. She's doing MBBS in Belgaum. She told to parents and as well as children's students, they have to first set the goal in their mind what they want to become. Then they can achieve their target, like that she is saying.